Hello friends, welcome to Techmaima YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about conditional statements in Python with examples. I'll give you a few examples and very small examples so that you can understand easily. Okay. Normally, conditional statement is used to check whether the condition is true or not. That is the reason we use conditional statement. There are three types of conditional statement is available. So first one is if statement, and then Elif, and the third one is else statement. Let's start. First one is if statement. I'm declaring a variable a equal to 10. If a is greater than 8, then print. I already declared a variable. Variable name is a. If a value is greater than 8, then it will print great. I'm using only one particular condition here, that is if a is greater than 8. So whenever you are using only one particular condition, then you can use the if statement. Okay. Okay, so you can see the output here. I just run the code. A value is greater than 8, so it's giving you the result as a grade. It's very simple. This is the purpose we use if statement. And normally in Python, everywhere, like most of the places, if statement is being used to check one condition. Okay. So now we will see Elif. So when it comes to Elif, when you wanted to check multiple conditions, you have 10, 15, 20, or 5, 2, 3, 4, n, whatever it may be, but more than one. If you have a condition to check, then you can use only Elif statement. Okay. So a equal to, let's take an input from the user. The user has to enter a number. If a equal to 10, a is 10. So you already used one condition with the help of if. Now you want to use another condition, so then you can go for Elif. A is equal to 8, then print a is 8. Then again you want to check one more condition. Elif a is equal to 12, then print a is 12. So when you want to use more than one condition, you can go for Elif, as simple as that. And I'm giving you a very basic example. Don't think that why the example is so short. So a lot of people might not be able to understand. That is the reason I'm giving a small example. Okay. So if I run this code, it's asking the input from the user. So I'm entering 12. See, a is 12. We check this condition. It's not true. This condition, it's not true. And it is checking the third condition, Elif. So whether it is true or not, yes, it is true. It's giving you the result as 12. So this is the purpose of Elif. Okay. Now let's move to else condition. Whenever we want to check something, it will be yes or it will be definitely a no. So when you use if or else condition, it will check whether it's yes or not. If it is not yes, then it will move to no. That is the purpose we use else statement. Okay, let's copy the complete code. Paste here, it will check the first three conditions. If all the three conditions is not satisfied, then it will move to the else block. If I don't enter 10 or 8 or 12, it will move to the else part. Okay, so I will enter 2. Check the first condition, not true. Second condition, not true. Third condition, not true. So then it's coming to else block, and this condition is true because these are not satisfied. So it says else block. This is the purpose of else. So that's all about conditional statements. If you have any doubts, please put down in the comment section. I will reply back to you. And please subscribe to stay connected. Thank you.